Well, I'm here with Jordan and we're down at iTechworld headquarters. We're here to talk about their X-Pro range of lithium batteries. Now, I'm no expert when it comes to this. Jordan, what kind of existing setup do we need to be able to change over to lithium?
So the great thing with our all new X-Pro range is you don't actually need to change your pre-existing setup where you may have had lead acid batteries. So all what you need to do is pull out your old batteries, put in your new X-Pro batteries and you upgrade it to lithium.
Can you run us through some of the advantages of swapping over to a lithium battery?
So with the all new iTech 240 X-Pro, you're going to be able to use 100% of that capacity. The weight is going to be significantly lower, so you're only going to use about 23 kilos, which saves you 100 kilos as if you would have gone with the comparative lead acid batteries. You're going to see a longer lifespan and it all comes with a 5-year warranty.
Okay, so now you've got me sold. How do I know which one of these batteries will be right for me?
The main difference between the two batteries is the iTech 240 X Pro has 240 amp hours usable capacity and the 120 X Pro has only 120 amp hours usable capacity. Both batteries can easily run up to a 3000 watt inverter and both batteries are IP67 waterproof. And the last point is both batteries come with a full 5-year warranty.
Thanks, Jordan. These guys are a great source of advice and have a huge range of products, so I highly recommend on dropping down to iTechworld or checking out their website to find the perfect power setup.